In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe on Substack Paid. If you're a fan of engaging content and want to support your favorite creators, subscribing to a paid newsletter on Substack is a great way to make it happen. Let's get started with this simple and rewarding process. First, begin by locating the Substack publication you wish to subscribe to. This might be a newsletter you stumbled upon through social media, received as a recommendation, or perhaps it's a publication you've been following for a while. Whatever the case, make sure you're on the publication's main page. This is your starting point for subscribing and supporting the creator. Once you're here, look for a button or link that typically reads Subscribe or Upgrade to Paid. Substack publishers generally make this easy to find, as they aim to provide a seamless experience for their readers. After locating and clicking that subscribe link, you'll need to select your subscription plan. Most often, Substack offers a range of options, including monthly or annual subscriptions, and occasionally, there might be a special offer like a founding member tier. Each tier often provides different perks, such as access to back archives, exclusive posts, or even direct correspondence with the author. Take a moment to consider how frequently you engage with the publication and what level of support you wish to offer. If you're an avid fan, an annual plan could be a great way to not only save a bit of money but also demonstrate your commitment to the author. Once you've chosen your subscription plan, the next step is to enter your payment details. This process is straightforward and akin to any other online purchase. Substack will usually accept major credit cards or other forms of payment they list. Make sure you're entering this information securely. You should see a lock icon in your browser's address bar, reassuring you that your details are encrypted and protected. After entering your payment information and ensuring everything is correct, click the subscribe button to finalize your subscription. Once this is done, you will gain access to all the exclusive content promised by the subscription. You'll start receiving updates directly in your inbox, enjoying first-hand access to the unique benefits that come with being a paid subscriber. And just like that, you've completed the process of subscribing to a paid Substack publication. It's a straightforward way to empower creators and enhance your content feed with quality writing. Enjoy your new access to thoughtful content and the knowledge that you're supporting creators you love.